Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. The significance of census comes under governance GS2. Historical context. India's first synchronous census was conducted on 1881. The last one was in 2011. Census phases. There are two phases: house listing and population enumeration. Census data applications were electoral representation, women representation, policy planning, understanding the delimitation. Delimitation means the process of fixing the number of seats and boundaries of territorial constituencies in each state for Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies. Implementing authority were Delimitation Commission. It was set up for 4 times: 1952, 1963, 1973 and 2002. Constitutional provisions for delimitation. Article 82, which says Delimitation Act after every census. Article 170 states that states also get divided into territorial constituency as per Delimitation Act after every census. Next news. India and Mongolia hold joint military exercise. The exercise name was Nomadic Elephant, conducted in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar from May 31 to June 13. Focus area include counter-terrorism operation, precisely sniping and UN mandated operations in semi-urban and mountainous terrain. Objective were interoperability, coordination and operational capabilities of both armies. Significance of India-Mongolia military exercises. Defense diplomacy. Peacekeeping capacity will be increased. Terrain adaptation. Facilities adapting to diverse operational environments, especially mountainous and semi-urban terrains. Strategic convergence. Contributes to confidence building measures and strategic convergence in defense cooperation. Technical concepts in military cooperation: interoperability, precision sniping, UN peacekeeping, cultural exchange. Stratospheric aerosol injection. It is proposed as geoengineering method to cool the planet by injecting aerosols into stratosphere. Inspiration. The method is inspired by volcanic eruption like Mount Pinatubo. High altitudes require, it's about 20 kilometers, designed aircraft are less sulfur dioxide but involve greater technical and financial hurdles. Technical concepts are stratospheric aerosol injection, tropospause, UKESM1, UK Earth Air System model, climate stimulation tools used to model aerosol effects. Risks and challenges of SAI. It has environmental risks, regional imbalances, geopolitical disputes and masking effect. India and EV manufacturing localization plan comes under GS3, infrastructure, mobility and energy policy introduction. The scheme is to promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India for 2024 to 29. The measures was taken was custom duty reduction, time-bound imports, investment requirement minimum of 4,150 crore with needed within 3 years. EV manufacturing localization targets: 25% manufacturing to be done in India within 3 years, 50% 5-year target manufacturing to be done in India within 5 years. Duty cap 6,484 crores on duty cap. Annual limit: maximum vehicle per year eligible for duty reduction. Types of electric vehicles. Battery electric vehicles solely rely on battery power for propulsion, produce zero tailpipe emissions. Plug-in hydroelectric vehicles. They can be charged externally and run on battery power. Hybrid electric vehicles use both electric motor and a gasoline engine, but battery cannot be charged directly. Benefits of India's electric vehicle manufacturing policy. Foreign investments are promoted, job creation has been done, clean mobility will be achieved. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.